Everyone, in this video I am going to discuss about some more topics of on strings, C++ strings. Okay, in the previous video we have seen the concatenation, how to add two strings in together. Okay, so next in here one more topic I am introducing, discussing about here is strings length. To find the given string length, we have a function, predefined function length in the string object. Okay, in the string object we are having a function length. Let us see how to use it. Std string str1 equals to c plus plus comma. Okay, std string str2 equals to programming or strings. Okay, so we used two variables for strings and we have given the values. Now how to find the length, let us see. Here what is about the length, in which value it will be, the value of length will be what, which data it comes under which data type. It's a number of the number. Length of the string is nothing but a number. So how to define it, how to declare it? It should be declared as an integer type, that is int. Let us take len is equals to str1 dot length. Understood? Output is 1 2 3. Okay, next one more, len1 equal to str2 dot length. Output is what, how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So output will be 7. Okay, understood? Here sometimes we can use size function. Size function which is an alias name of length function. Okay, alias name is nothing but the other name. Okay, other name for length function. Okay, like this we can find the length of the given string. Okay, next topic is about C++ user input strings. Okay, user input strings, that is, till now we entered the strings directly in the program. but we can even enter the strings out of the program by using an extraction symbol, by extracting symbol and a keyword cin. This is an user input keyword. Okay, so how to use this scene, let us see with an example. Okay, so first in the program you can write std cout, enter a name or string, anything you can specify here. Okay, next how to take the input. This will be appeared on the screen while executing the program, compiling the program. Okay, so scene also must be specified by the std namespace and the scope resolution operator, and then scene greater than what is the, you can use, first you have to define the declare the string variable, right? uh, str name you take. Okay, here scene str name. Okay, so while compiling, while executing, okay, on the screen you can see enter a name or string. Okay, this is cursor and this is the string what we are given here in the cout, and here the cursor blinks till you enter the string into the scene. Okay, then if you are entering any name, this moves right side and the each letter what you typed will be printed on the screen. After entering the name, say for example Anupama you entered, and press enter key, then it again what it will be, say for example here we are printing the name again, std scope resolution operator cout str name, just we are printing it back. So after entering the string here and put and press on the enter key, just directly here we are printing the string, right? So that you will can see on the, okay, this will be the output of the last line of program, line of above example. Okay, like this if we entered from the keyboard, that means if user enter the string from the keyboard when executing while executing, that is called the user input string. Okay, like this we can enter the strings whenever we want, instead of entering the names directly in the program, we can enter in this way also. Okay, here one more thing I have to specify is, say for example you want to, after specifying this string, and if you give a space scene object, scene takes a space as a terminating character. That means it stops to take any more output, okay, any more input, okay, understood. So instead of cin, we can use getLine function, which takes scene as first parameter or parameter, and string variable as second, string variable as second parameter. Okay, so how to specify that again? Let us see. Std string 1, next std cout, enter a string or name, std cin string 1. Sorry, instead of using this, in the place of this we are using getLine of cin comma string 1. Okay, next std scope resolution operator cout string 1. Understood? So here it takes the input. If you specify any space character, then also it will continue to take the more strings. If we press enter, then only it terminates and shows the output. Understood? Okay, so in the next video we will see the remaining topics of this. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.